So first thing you have to do is execute Visual Studio as administrator. Now make sure you have all the framework installed for this, and you can go to continue without code, go to tools, get tools and features. Make sure you have installed .NET Desktop Development. I have already installed it, so I don't have to install it again. I can just close it, close that, and go to new project. Be very careful here because you have to select class library .NET framework. You can see you can find two types of class library here: class library simple and class library with .NET framework. You have to select that, and next. Now name it anything you want. I would name it my first plugin, and you have to store it. I will store it my desired location. And select folder, keep all the other setting as it is, and create. Now first thing you have to do is go to if you don't see Solution Explorer here, you can go to view, and you can click on Solution Explorer, and it will show up here, and go to add reference, right click on reference and click add reference, and search in assemblies, search FORMS forms and select system Windows forms. Click that and press OK. Again, add reference, go to browse, and here you have to add interop EADLL. I already have in it my recent, but to show you I can recent, press OK, and then again add reference, go to recent, browse, and go to C where I have installed my sparx system, and here I can just IN, and you can see it will show up here interop EADLL. Select that and add it is checked, it means it is selected, and press OK. Control save, and now double click on properties and go to this application, assembly information, make assembly com visible, press OK. Build, go to register com interop, check that, and control S, save the project. Now you have to place a test code here. I will provide you with a test code, and to point out I didn't write that code myself. I copied it from EA website or their document in which they have explained how to make a plugin. So I have pasted the code here. Now be careful, you have to name that. You can see namespace. You have to change the name of namespace with your solution file. My solution or project name is my first plugin. I can copy that name and change the name of namespace to my project name, so that my project and my namespace should be same. And then I have to change the class. I can name it my class my plugin. So copy that name and paste it here on the class name. So my class name is similar to my class in Solution Explorer. So these two are very important. And then make sure you have added using you have added the library using system Windows form. This is very important for this to work. And go to select on your project, build solution, and if you have executed Visual Studio as admin, it would build without any error. Otherwise it might get you error, so you have to re-execute Visual Studio as administrator in order to work. Or so I was telling, if you haven't executed Visual Studio as admin, it might give you an error. So make sure you have executed Visual Studio as an administrator. And now you have go to run R REG EDIT regedit registry editing, and go to users softwares and click S and spark system, and here you have to add a key, name it EAA EA add-ins, same spelling. Again create a new key and name that key as your project name. So I can just copy that project name from here and paste it here, and then double click on that and again paste your project name here, then dot add your class name next to it, press OK. And now you have to execute enterprise architect. And here in specialize, you can see add-in is appeared. It is now showing in my enterprise architect. The name of the add-in is controlled from here, so it does not, your project name or class name does not indicate the name of your plugin. The name of your plugin is indicated by here, so you can change that from here. And that's it. If you want to change anything in plugin, you have to terminate EA, then change it from here, build it again. So I want, for example, I want to change the name my add-in to my new add-in. So first thing I have to do is close that, build solution. Now if I open that enterprise architect again, you can see that the name of the plugin will be changed. Specialize my new add-in. So those two options are blacked out or grayed out. In my case, you can open any project, and when you open a project, you can click on that project, and now you can see those are activated. So in order to use the plugin, you must have some project in the EA. So that's it from me.